This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sarah Rakob. Corner unit. Wraparound balcony. Open floor plan. Panoramic ocean views. Brand new sliders. This convenient and elegant ground floor unit proves that not all first floor views are created equally. Walk steps to your garage or gaze at the Atlantic from your generously sized, southeast wraparound balcony. This spacious 2-bedroom and 2 full bathroom unit sits at just under 2,000 square feet and boasts ample natural light. This condo offers beautiful black granite counters in both bathrooms and kitchen. Furniture is optional and stainless steel appliances, washer and dyer all convey. Large master bedroom offers excellent views of ocean with double vanities / soaking tub / shower. Unique and very private patio area which backs up to green space perfect for entertaining. Walkability to local dining and fun. For more information, review the details below.